So what I've got here is the Google Pixel Watch magnetic charging cable. This is the replacement charger for your Google Pixel Watch 2, like what I've got here. Also your Google Pixel Watch 3. It works with the 41mm or 45mm models. So it says it's 1 meter in length and it's a 5-watt USB-C fast charging cable. Let's go ahead and open this up. So in the box, of course, there's the paperwork. And then, of course, the magnetic charging cable. So again, this is 1 meter in length. On the one end, it's USB-C, good quality cable. And then on the other end is the connector to your watch. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. So it's all plugged in. And the way these work is that the corded side coming out of the base here goes on the same side as the crown on your watch. So it goes on like that, and it should start charging right away. There we go, it's up and running and it works perfectly. So that is the magnetic charging cable for your Pixel Watch 2 and Pixel Watch 3.